Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all this amazing sweet pumpkin bread recipe, and I'm using Isabel's pumpkin flour to create this. So let me show you guys how easy this is to put together. First, we're going to start by sifting our dry ingredients. So to my sifter, I'm adding in my flour, the pumpkin flour. In goes baking soda, pumpkin spice, allspice, and cloves. Give this a good mix or a good sift. This is just ensures that we have a really nice, light loaf. Now I'm adding in some freshly grated nutmeg. We're just going to set that aside and bring over another bowl. In this bowl, we're going to add some softened salted butter, sugar, whisk, and add in some mixed essence or vanilla. Now I'm adding in some cocoa bitters from Angostura. Give that a good mix. Now I'm adding in some whole milk, or you can use evaporated milk, and continue to mix until it comes together. Now I'm omitting eggs from this recipe, and by omitting the eggs I'm going to use some eggless mayo, or you can use some apple sauce. And if you wanted to use eggs, of course you can. I'll leave the amount in the description box. Continue to give this a mix until it all comes together and it's properly incorporated. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our dry mixture. So add in all of the dry mixture and then take your time and start mixing and folding that in. You don't want to overwork it. You don't want it to turn into actual bread. You don't want gluten to form. So just mix it till it comes together. And once it comes together, we'll go ahead and empty it out into a greased and floured loaf tin. You see the consistency? It's a pourable batter. Spread it out evenly, and once spread out, it goes into the oven to bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. Now let's prepare the icing or the frosting that's going over. So in goes some vanilla and some milk, and we're going to mix that until it all comes together. We're looking for a pourable consistency. This is how it should look. You can mix it a little bit thinner if you like. Now once the bread comes out of the oven, allow it to rest a little and allow it to cool down before adding on that frosting. Drizzle your frosting over the top. And before the frosting sets, you want to put your sprinkles or whatever you would like to decorate it with. So I'm actually going to be using 3 different types of sprinkles. I went with a pinkish gold hue, then I went in with a gold, and then I went in with gold and orangish and brown balls. Really nice, and it complemented it really well. So this is how it looks. So beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Look at the consistency of the inside, really light and airy, and a perfect pumpkin color. Remember, Isabel's products is found on Facebook. I will leave all of their information in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Stay safe, everyone.